In this video,
we will learn how to install Natural Vision Evolve graphics mod in GTA 5. In GTA 5, in order to install the Natural Vision Evolve graphics mod, firstly all we need to do is open up our browser. From the search panel of our browser, type in Natural Vision Evolved, then hit enter. After that, we'll head into the website of Raised Mods. From here, we'll select the GTA 5 option. After that, we'll select which version of the Natural Vision we want. If we are using the Grand Theft Auto Enhanced Edition, we will use the Natural Vision Enhanced, and for the Legacy Edition, we'll use the Evolved version. Now click on download. After that, you can download any one of these files that you want, but for this video, we'll be downloading the 16GB one. After the download is complete, firstly we'll extract the file into our drive. After the extraction is done, we'll head into the folder. Then we'll select the Natural Vision Installer Part 1. And in order to install it, we'll need OpenIV installed on our computer. So double click on it and the OpenIV will load. So from here, we'll just need to click on install, then select mods folder. After that, confirm the installation. After your part 1 has installed successfully, you need to double click on part 2 and it will start installing. So in here, in the same way, we'll just click on install, select the mods folder, then confirm our installation. Afterwards, we'll select part 3, double click on it, then select install, select the mods folder and confirm installation. After the main files of Natural Vision has been installed, we can install optional add-ons. There are various add-ons in here and you can add them as you want, like the DLSS, DLA, FSR plugin, LSPD, FR compatibility patch, various content pack, season pack, light pack, and so on. So this is how you can easily install Natural Vision Evolved for your Grand Theft Auto 5 game. Enjoy the game as you please. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.